I am Tristan and I'm going to make butter. First thing you want to get is your heavy whipping cream, your salt, any kind of salt you want, half a teaspoon, any kind of mixer, and some sort of container. No, stop that. First thing you want to do is get your heavy whipping cream and pour it any amount you want into your mixer. For this, I'm going to use the whole thing. Now that we got our salt, we're going to have 1/4 of a teaspoon. Now that our butter is in our container, you want to let it cool for 1 to 5 minutes in your fridge. Now that we have let our butter sit for 1 to 5 minutes, we're going to check on it and see if it's all cooled. So, if it's not cooled, you can still let it sit for another 5 minutes. But with ours, it's good because we're just gonna set it back in the fridge whenever we're done. And that's how you make butter.